Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your following list so that people can see without actually making your account private. So first you go to settings and then you tap privacy, and then you can scroll down to, and then under safety it says following list. Tap, and then now you can choose who can see your following list, so everyone or only me. So choose whether to publicly show your following list. If you select only me, other users will only see mutual friends, and then you can just tap there and that's it. So you don't have to actually put your account on private, but people won't be able to see your following list. So that's it, and thank you for watching.